Hello my lovelies, and welcome to another episode of Catherine's Gift Ideas, which is my design team project for Tracie Fox Creative for November. So we made the tags. I've carried on making some more of the large tags and tied them together with some nice vintage sari that I had left. And I said that we would make the little envelopes for them to go into. So I've been making a few. These are all from Dark Compendium. I cut out Compendium 1 and 2, Dark Compendium, and some Mega Mix and Match, all kits from Tracie. So I shall put them down below. And it's not rocket science this, but I think you'll agree that these papers make fabulous little gifts when made into these little envelopes. So I shall give you some dimensions. So we've got this printed out on, and I've printed it out on 160 GSM, and this is A4, so it is obviously US letter size. You'll get your copy of paper in, don't you? So a rough guesstimate. They don't have to be exact, as long as they're going to be large enough for your tags to go in. So I'm roughly going to put that there, like so. All my nails are breaking, I need to file them. Okay, so that's this one, and then I'm going to fold down, so it doesn't have to be exact. Leave enough space for you to be able to get stuff in. Okay, so with this I'm going to then glue it. You can make quite a few of these. Like I say, they make nice dinner table gifts. You could actually make a set, spilling glue down there, make a set and tie them all together with sari silk, for example, and they could go into a Secret Santa brand tub prize, as it's called some places here. Gorgeous papers. Really gorgeous. These are the more plain ones, but still gorgeous. Rough guesstimate to there. Okay. So once you've done one, you know, you can just, you don't need to measure them then, do you? You can, you know, just continue. Okay, now, I thought we'd put some little pockets on these, and I'm going to have a look to see what I've got. I've cut loads of bits and bobs out of these kits, as I've said. We've got some of the circles out of the kit, and I think these will be nice. I don't want it to blend in though. That's a nice one. Oh, I've forgot my scissors. David, would you mind bringing me my cutting scissors, please? I'm saying cutting scissors as if you get scissors that don't cut. You know what I mean? You have to excuse me. I have bent over and me, yeah, they're my fabric ones, thank you. To pick these up, and oh crikey. I mean, I've got a crumbling spine from years of nursing, and for some reason it's just gone into gridlock. So if I'm talking nonsense, you know, that's why. So the bottom half we will glue, because we're just going to tuck it into the top bit. There we go. Roughly eyeball the middle. We'll have that about there. That will fit in there nicely. And I'm going to glue down both these edges. So this edge. It's trouble on this white. I can't see the white glue on the white. This edge and this edge. And I think we could put a little pocket. Let's see what we've got in here. There's a little pocket. Let's have a look. Oh, that's a nice bit. Oh, that goes, doesn't it? So I'm going to put that there and make a little pocket, and we can put something in there, a little ticket or something. I don't think I've got the very small things. Might have. Let's have a look at that. Let's see what else we've got in here. We've got a little, folded this together and made a little writing spot, so that could go in there. Actually, that goes nice. We'll have that in there. And let me just have a look, see. I think the stuff I've got here is all large elements, which probably will be a little bit too big. Tags, they're tags. So what I think here, why have we got the bird flying? Just going to cut, this is a journal card, but in actual fact I think it's not very straight cutting, is it? Crikey, I'm going bad at cutting today. That's nice. I'm going to take that out, change my mind. I'm going to put that little bird in there. Yeah, I like that. That goes in there. And then over here, so let me have a look at my Tracie, see what I've got in the reds, because we've got some red, haven't we? I think that'd be nice there. Let's see if there's something that can... I will link, I got the idea for making these little ephemera holders from Wendy's Journaling Adventures, so I will link the video where I showed you making them. I'm going to put that on there just to glam that up a bit, and then I'm going to put this now. I feel like it needs something behind it just to break up. Okay, just to break up the background, so I'm gonna layer it, make my own background. Okay, I'll just put that in the middle, so it just gives it a bit of a definition from the paper, like a marbling paper by the looks of this, out of the dark Compendium. that in that corner there. There we have that. Now do I want anything in here? See, these are out of one of the many beautiful butterfly kits of Tracie's. I always keep them a stash of the butterflies and, well, you know, all the tickets and labels that Tracie does I've got, I'm sure. There we go. I like that. That gives that a little bit of something extra. So that's that one, and we'll just finish this one off. So I need another circle to fasten it. Oh, I like that one. I'm easy pleased, aren't I? Hey. I've got a punch the same size as this somewhere, but it means getting up, stopping and starting. So doesn't hurt to cut it out, does it? Okay, same again. I do it about 2/3 glue, 1/3 free. Eyeball it roughly the middle. There we go, leave enough for you to tuck that in. Okay, right, now then on this one, cute bird. I think we will do a belly band on the back. No, like this bit. So this is the bit we cut off, just so we could make that nice tuck. Nice little, this little ticket to go in there. So nothing's wasted because we can use it here as a belly band, and we kind of put that lovely birdie in there on the back. Cute, cutie pie. Okay. Now, what do I want on the front? Let's see. These are another set of labels of Tracie's. Can't remember the name of these ones. It's a Victorian something or other, but perhaps not. I'm going to put that on there. I like that. That on there. And I would like something else. I'm going to put that down as a pocket. So put that down as a pocket. So can you see, you can use all your bits of elements. If you have them already cut out, you can just do whatever you fancy. And I'm going to get a round one that's probably a bit of map on. Probably to go, to look at that. I'll try this one. Might be too brown. So don't forget, when you're cutting rounds, just move your paper, not your scissors. No, not keen. Not keen. I thought I'd like that, but decided that looks better. going to cut this. So although it's folded and that's how it is in the set, you don't have to keep it like that, do you? Like that. So I will put that in there. It's a little big. Another slither. There we go. Happy with that. Fasten that in there. That can go under there. And there we have it. So that's 2 more for putting the tags in. And I'm sure you'll agree they make lovely little gift envelopes. Okay then, lovelies, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next video. Bye for now.